morning, good morning, good morning. It's January, y'all. And it's cold outside. Cold outside. This week, school is back in session. Yay! But not yay because traffic is terrible all over again. But let's see, what's going on this week? I don't think I got nothing planned. I don't have nothing planned. Other than catching up on stuff around the crib. That's about it. I'm trying to come up with names for the video that they like you. So my channel's name is just me. I was trying to figure out maybe a different name to call it. I'm not sure. Of course it's a vlog, but like I feel like that's just so generic. But I know I started thinking about it last night. I don't know. I might call. I don't know. I'm still working it out. Trying to work that out. I will put the link in. I'll put it in this video actually. I'm starting up my home decor page again, which is called Just Me. Everything's under Just Me. I'm starting that, restarting that. So I will start posting. I've already started posting. All my stuff, the canvases. So like for that, I do the free flow painting, where I do canvases, I do vases. I was doing wax melts, but I'm no longer going to do that. I do have some still in stock, so I will be selling those, but just I don't think I'm going to actually make them anymore. So whatever I have in stock, once they sell out, I think that's it. Unless I found something like a new scent I want to try. Other than that, I'm going to not. Those won't be like a regular thing on my website. But for canvases, decorative candles, that definitely I will be still doing. But yeah, so that will be starting up. Just to let you guys know. I'll put the link to the website in this video. And so that's what I've been actually working on the last couple of weeks. Well, last week. Just trying to get that situated. Getting used to post again for that. Yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot. But I think once I get back in the flow of it, I'll be fine. But just starting off again, it's like, that's a lot. Because with the videos I do, like the vlogs I do, it's pretty much just me talking, of course, and then I just edit the video. But with that, it's like you gotta take pictures, you gotta make sure you get the right angle, so you can see that the true color of the picture. Like it's more in depth. So you gotta come up with it. Like it's a lot. But once I get back into posting those pictures and stuff like that, I should be okay. I will be okay. Just gotta get used to. Gotta get back in the habit of doing it. So I haven't created anything in a while, but I will. Still got this cough. It's getting better, but it should be gone by now. I feel like it's not. Driving me crazy. Because it'll definitely hit at the most inopportune time. Like, bruh. think I'm not sick. It's just a cough. Like, I'm not contagious, you guys. I don't think. They ain't gonna send me home. And again, like, I feel fine. It's just this damn cough. But I think my doctor's appointment is next month. And I've still been taking, I think I mentioned it before, but I did contact my doctor. And I told her what was going on. So she told me to get Flonase. So I did. I've been taking it, which is why the cough is getting better. Because before, like, I would cough to the point I would get a headache. That's how much coughing I was doing. But it's not to that point anymore. So it's working. I don't know. See, I don't know if it's working, if that's working, or it's just getting better on its own. I'm not really sure. But when I go to the doctor, I think it's next month. I gotta look at my calendar again. It's like, bruh, like, what the hell? Do some X-ray, do whatever. There's no way I should still have this damn cough and feel absolutely fine. Like this, like I don't understand this, but I will be finding out. Because this is crazy. Crazy. Oh, man. They didn't even try to get the snow off their car. Like, the whole back window is like, you can't even see out that back window. So if you guys didn't know, it snowed in Chicago last night or yesterday. It's not too bad today. It's cold out. So right now it's 23 degrees. So it's cold outside. It's cold outside, and I am getting closer to the lake, so it's probably colder out and actually outside, not in my car, because the heat is on in my car. So I'm fine. That's why, like, I don't miss taking public transportation in this type of weather. Boy, because even if, like, it's like 40 degrees outside, alright, cool. But when you standing on a bus stop or on a train platform, wait, like, bruh, it's cold. Otherwise, it gets cold. So I don't miss I don't miss public transportation. I hate my car note, but I don't miss public transportation. Pros and cons to everything. Pros and cons. But man, look, I would take having a car over having to take the bus. They taking the bus because you going to, like, that's an event like downtown somewhere where you gotta pay $50 to park. I'm exaggerating, but like $50 to park. Like, take train, but we'll see. But yeah, I'll take having a car over having to take public transportation. Not taking it just because it's more convenient. That's different. But having to take it because you have no other way to get there, nah, I don't miss that. I definitely complain about paying this damn car note, but very, very grateful that I actually have a car. Video just paused. Did y'all see that? That's probably why my stuff be lagging sometimes. I need to find another editing software, because this works perfect. Then all of a sudden it just starts acting haywire, like it goes haywire. So I don't know. The one I was using, the one on my computer, working fine. Then all of a sudden it starts acting stupid. Like, what the freak? So I don't know. But until then, I'm gonna try to make this work. I definitely don't want to pay for editing software. But if I have to, I mean, if it keeps acting crazy, I'll do it. But we'll see. Because there's like a couple of videos I couldn't upload because they just wasn't. They wasn't acting right. And this video keeps pausing. I don't know. This is actually about to start irritating me. But whatever. I'm gonna end it now because I feel like this is gonna keep doing it. I don't know why it's doing it, but whatever. Hope you guys have a good week. If you've been on vacation, welcome back. Back to business. Back to business. 2025. Let's go. Until next time. I'm out.